Simple solutions to life.
Simple solution. Make it love. Make it love. Make it love. Solution. Make it love.
Simple solution.
Hello, welcome to our channel. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, my name is Medilock. Let me do my eye for you. Yes, you're welcome to our channel. You're welcome to this place where everybody is somebody. Okay, are you new here? Are you just passing by? You're welcome. Okay, please don't leave without subscribing to our channel. Just click the subscribe button and join this family, because here we make a lot of sense and we teach you everything from A to Z. We don't reserve information here. We give you every information that will help you, that will help your life. So guys, you're welcome to our channel. I want to tell us something very simple today. Yes, how do you count your money? And this is one of the reasons why you are struggling with your finances. Okay, I want to give us one spiritual secret, and this secret will liberate you from struggling with your finances. Yes, see, there is a way you handle money that it will make you to go broke or make you to increase. Your salary is immaterial and your profit is immaterial. You can be making a very gigantic profit in your business and yet you will not be able to do anything with it. And you may be earning very heavy salary or earning a lot of money from different kinds of your hustles, yet you won't be able to make any profit out of it. So these things are due to the way our monies are being handled. Yes, this is the secret I want to teach us today. I want to tell us today. Okay, so please, money, I came here with some samples. Yes, this one is a mint. Yeah, this is a mint. Okay, so now this is Nigerian money. Okay, for those that are watching me from outside Nigeria, this is 200 naira Nigerian money. Okay, but it's a mint. So now, because I know some people will say, Medilock, is a mint now, so that is why, that is why you can handle it that way. But if it is not mint, you'll not be able to handle it in that way. So I came with normal, ordinary, regular money that we also put in our pocket. You can see this one is 5 naira, this is 10 naira, this is 20 naira, this is 50 naira. These are all Nigerian money. Okay, so now, why do I have to waste my time and then waste your data and your precious time to come here and be doing my eye for you, talking about this kind of thing? Yes, I know some of you will be asking that kind of question. Yes, but if you ask that kind of question, it's because you are spiritually ignorant. Yes, and that is why at times you may not know what hit you. Yes, but if you know this, it will help you a long way. Okay, so now, the way we handle money determines how far we will go in wealth, determines whether we go far or we just go to average and then stop. Yes, and again, there is another thing that I want to add in this video. Yes, some of you like jogging, you like doing quickie in your business places, in your office, in your shops, in your business place. You like to have quickie, what they call quickie or whatever. You like to jog in the valley, irrespective of where. This also determines how far you will go in prosperity. Yes, it brings you down. This is a spiritual class. I'm not talking about club. I'm not talking about social life. I'm talking about spiritual class. So whether you believe it or not, it is the basic fact. One of the fastest way for you to go down in your business is by jogging in the valley in your place of business. If it is a supermarket or it is an office, you are dating your secretary, or you are dating your sales girls, and you like to have quickie with them in that place. Give yourself some years. You will go down. You don't need witches and wizards in your village to tell you that this thing is going to bring you down. Yes. So, don't. Okay? Now, that is by the way, okay? Let he who has ears listen and use wisdom. And let he who does not have ear go and perish. Your wife is at home praying. She will go to all the prayer, this thing. Not knowing that her husband is doing stupid thing in that place, and then business will be going down. Your container will sink on the sea. They will seize your vehicle. They will seal up your business premises. They will do this. They will do that. All because of just 5 minutes, 10 minutes quick. Yes, it brings men down. That's one of the fastest way to bring men down. So now, I know there are a lot of ladies watching me right now. If your husband is not watching my video, you can give him this advice. Don't mind what he will say. He will still listen. Men have sense. Tell him that one lady, her name is Medilock, she said men that they are doing quickie in their office and in their business places, it makes their business to fall. It makes them to become poor. Yes. Even if you say, yeah, get out of here, don't tell me that nonsense, this and that. He will still go back to his mind, and then he will think about it, and he will change. So don't relent. Tell your husband. Let him think you are jealous. Yes, now, who is not jealous? Yes, even if you say you are jealous, are you the first person? Every woman is jealous. Even men, their own jealousy is worse than our own. Yes. So let him say whatever you want to say, but at least you have sowed a seed of advice. Now, how do you handle money to make you a rich man? And how do you, or a rich woman? And how do you handle money to make you a poor person? It will make you broke. See, like now, this is a myth. Some people, if you just give them money like this, the first thing they do is they'll put spit in their hand and start counting money. 1, 2. No, let me count it in my language. Yes, you must learn Igala by force. Inye, eji, eta, ele, elu, efa, ebie, ejo, ela, egwa. This is 10. Egwa means 10 in Igala. So eji means 2. Inye means oka. Means 1. So guys, you see, just this simple thing, they will use their speed, and start counting it. They will count it and give it to you. You will collect it. Or you give your money to somebody, the person will now pap, and begin to count it. Don't count your money with your speed. Yes. And if they don't let anybody count your money in your presence with their speed, get water. Yes, if their hand is too dry, cannot count the money, let them use water. Nobody should use speed to count your money. Nobody should use speed to count money. And even you yourself, if you use your speed to count money, you will become a poor man. You will not, see, it will affect your prosperity. See, prosperity does not give a damn about your source of finances. You understand? You can end up as a permanent secretary, and yet you will be begging for food when you retire. You can work with any organization, whatever. Calamity will just come. So be very careful. These are something spiritual knowledge. Very simple. Don't count your money this way. If you count it this way, you go poor. But if you count it normal, 1, 2, 3. Ẹ̀lẹ̀, ẹ̀lú, ẹ̀fà, èje, ẹ̀jọ, ẹ̀lá, ẹ̀wá. See, you will not go poor. No matter how small your money is, you'll be able to take care of your children, take care of your life. Then anything that makes somebody's lives to be complete, you will have it. See, this thing is very simple. I'm saying it and I'm smiling, but it works, okay? So let's try it and see how it goes, okay? See you again in our next video. Thank you and God bless. Bye.